Good afternoon. This is John Boyd with the Home Buyer's Agent. Today we're not talking about houses, we're actually talking about lawnmowers, and specifically Kohler single-cylinder lawnmower retractable retracting starters, recoil starters. And this is the older design that's now been discontinued. This is the newer design, and I'm not sure what year it came out, but I remember I've replaced 3 of these now on the same lawnmower, and I just cut the grass once every week or so. So for a professional that would be using a lawnmower every day, they probably really hated these. So the old design, you can see the basket here just has some kind of knobs that come out, and then when the starter is pulled, those wings come out to hit and engage the knobs. The trouble is, after maybe 100 uses or something, they don't consistently engage. And so, like I said, I've had to replace 3 of these now in 5 years, which is pretty ridiculous for a professional lawnmower. The new design, though, looks a lot different, even though the basket is actually a little bit cheaper, a little bit thinner gauge metal, not reinforced with a bigger rim there, but it certainly looks like it's going to do a job with the openings there. And when you pull the starter on this fella, the new guy, the actual teeth, 2 of them actually come out there and then are reinforced by the plastic for the rope reel. So that looks like the newer design is probably going to be a lot better, and maybe you won't go through, you won't wear these out nearly as fast as the older design. I have the part numbers in the video, and hopefully that'll explain things. When I went to replace it, I saw the newer part number and I was a little bit concerned. It looks like it's going to be good. Thanks.